What a storm, right? Tree branches everywhere, leaves all over your yard. Maybe it's time you do some pruning. But wait, do you really own that tree in your backyard? You may think that just because a tree is in your way, you can cut it down. Be careful, it may not be yours to trim, and that can cause all kinds of legal headaches. So, who owns the trees in your backyard? You bought your home for its grand old trees, nice yard. Now that ancient oak tree is kind of in your way. You want to put in a pool, maybe grow an organic garden. Who knows? It's really got to go. Or maybe you're house hunting again. This place is perfect for your family, but there are trees blocking your view. Before you reach for the chainsaw or hire a professional, consider this. Know about your trees. Trees can be common property. Ownership is not what you may think. Your municipality may get involved. Making a misstep could end up costing you. Your yard may look like a blank canvas. Truth is, some of the trees in or overlooking your yard could be common property. In other words, they belong to you and others. How so, you ask? Just because a tree is on your land doesn't mean you own it. A recent court decision found ownership goes beyond what you see. Who a tree belongs to depends on more than just the trunk at ground level. It also extends below the soil. Tree trunks can be narrower at the surface than they are below ground level, so digging down could reveal the trunk is actually on your neighbor's land or a municipality's, even though it's not visible above ground there. And when a tree is on a boundary, you could be sharing it with another party. When is a tree yours and yours alone? Trunk location is key. Roots matter. It's on your land, not a boundary. Boulevards belong to municipalities. You see, the entire tree must be considered, from the roots right up to the branches. Who owns a tree matters because trimming or destroying it without every owner's consent is an offense. Even if all you're doing is trimming a branch that's about to fall off, you need to ask everyone who shares part of it. That's why, when in doubt, it's smart to ask. What could go wrong? Well, damaging or destroying shared trees is an offense, and you could be fined up to $20,000 or jailed for 3 months. Or both. Now, while we're on the topic, it's a sure bet trees in the boulevard are not yours to cut. If a tree is a nuisance, talk to your municipality. They might cull a danger tree or let you do it. Say tree branches are blocking your view when you pull out of your driveway, or making it hard for bus drivers to navigate. Fair enough. The municipality may be sympathetic about giving the tree a trim. Identifying a danger tree. Branches block drivers' views. It's rotten or diseased. It's leaning dangerously. You need to take action now. Remember, if a tree or branch falls on someone, you could be liable. How liable depends on who owns the tree. Is it yours or is it shared? Take good care of your trees. Inspect them regularly for rot and disease, and with your neighbor's consent, keep wayward branches trimmed and out of the way. Most of us love the shade and the beauty of a grand old tree. Being a responsible tree owner makes it even more enjoyable. And here are 4 things you can do to understand the law. Hire a landscaper, talk to your realtor, call your municipality, or ask your Axess lawyer. If you found these tips useful, go to the screen and like the video now. Subscribe to Axess Law's YouTube channel for more videos that can help you access the law.